Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to be investigating angles in a quadrilateral. I'm Mrs. Fidel, and here we go. Here is an example of a quadrilateral. I know a quadrilateral has to have all interior angles, and there are 4 of them, add up to 360 degrees. In this example, I can solve to find the 4th angle by adding the 3 angles I know and then subtracting that number from 360 degrees. So the 3 angles that I do know in this example are 113 degrees, 67 degrees, and 113 degrees again. That adds up to be 293 degrees. To find my 4th angle, I need to know the difference. So I start with 360 degrees, the amount of degrees I have to have in all 4 angles when they are all added up, and I subtract the amount in the 3 angles that I know. And the difference is 67, which is 67 degrees, the measurement of the 4th angle. In this example, you can see that one of the angles has a number beside it, 80 degrees, down in the corner. And you might wonder, how am I supposed to solve if I don't know what the other angles are? But look a little closer, and you will see that there are little squares in 2 of the corners. Those little squares let me know that those are right angles. And we have learned a right angle has exactly 90 degrees. So I have the information I need to be able to solve to find the 4th angle. I have 3 angle measurements, 80 degrees, 90 degrees, times 2. You can try it on your own or continue to follow along with us. Okay, here we go. What I have done to solve this is I added the 3 angles that I know. Those 3 interior angles added up to 260 degrees. I need to find the difference between 360 degrees and 260 degrees. When I subtract, I find that the 4th angle is 100 degrees. That is the difference between the other 3 angles and the total amount of degrees I need in this quadrilateral. All right, here's another example. 3 angles of a quadrilateral are given. Find the measure of the 4th angle. I've given you 25 degrees, 70 degrees, and 110 degrees. Remember, all interior angles in a quadrilateral must add up to 360 degrees. You may choose to pause the video, try it on your own, and then check to see if you're correct. If you're just following along with us for now, let's get to the answer. What I did here is I added 25, 70, and 110, and that equals 205 degrees. I then took 360 degrees and subtracted 205 degrees to find out that the 4th angle is 155 degrees. I had to find the difference between what all 4 angles must equal, the 360 degrees, and subtract the amount that I knew the other 3 angles added up to find the 4th angle, that is 155 degrees. Here's another example. Three angles of a quadrilateral are given. Find the measure of the fourth angle. The 3-degree measurements I've given you are 42 degrees, 38 degrees, and 100 degrees. I do encourage you to pause the video, try it on your own, and then check to see if you're correct. Okay, let's get to the answer. 3 angles of a quadrilateral are given. When I have those 3 angle measurements, I add them together. In this case, 42 degrees plus 38 degrees plus 100 degrees, and that equaled 180 degrees. But I need to find the difference. I know all angles must add up to 360 degrees. When I know 3 of them, I subtract to find the difference. So 360 subtract 180 equals 180 degrees. My fourth angle is 180 degrees. Here's another one to try out. Is it possible to draw a quadrilateral with these measurements? So you are given all 4 measurements. Remember, the key rule, all of those angles must add up to 360 degrees. If all interior angles in the quadrilateral do add up to 360 degrees, you would be able to draw it. Pause the video and add those numbers together to see what you get. All right, if you found out that yes, it is possible to draw a quadrilateral with those 4-degree measurements, you are correct. They do add up to 360 degrees. All right, let's have some more practice time. Here, I've given you a picture of an angle, and I'm asking you to find the 4th angle for this quadrilateral. You are given 3 angle measurements, and you need to find the 4th. Pause the video now and try it out on your own. When you have completed it, unpause the video to check your answer. Okay, I hope everyone took the time to find out what the 4th angle was. The 3 existing interior angles that you knew were 42, 122, and 60. When you added those together, you should have gotten 224, and then subtracted to find the difference. Remember, you subtract from 360 because all 4 angles must equal 360 degrees. When you did that, I hope you got 136 degrees for your 4th angle, because that is the correct answer. Here's another one to try out. Once again, I've given you 3 angle measurements, and those are interior angle measurements. You need to use those to solve to find the 4th angle measurement. Pause the video now, try it out, and then unpause the video to check your answer. For those that found the 4th angle measured 36 degrees, way to go, you got it. Here's another one. Use the 3 angle measurements you are given to find the 4th angle of this quadrilateral. Pause the video now and unpause when you've completed your answer to check it. Okay, here's our answer. 125 degrees is the measurement for the 4th angle. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on investigating angles in quadrilaterals. Till next time.